What's happening, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another video. Today is actually the day that we are putting new wheels on my G80 M3. So as you guys can see here, I'm in the car. We are headed over to Eastside Auto Spa, which is my detailer. They actually also mount tires, and so they were the ones that actually sourced me a set of tires for these new wheels. They're going to mount them for me today, and then I'm gonna bring them home. I'm gonna ceramic coat them myself, and then I'll get them onto the car. So if you guys are familiar with the channel and you've been longtime followers, then you'll know that Richland Forged is one of my sponsors here on the Accelerated Motion YouTube channel, and we've got another set of wheels from Richland Forged and that are going on the G80 M3. And what's really awesome about these wheels is that they don't even exist yet. So this video is going to be, you know, everyone's first look at what these wheels actually look like. Okay guys, so fast forward a couple days. I did take delivery of them from Eastside Auto Spa. They did a fantastic job as always. So if you guys are in the greater Cincinnati area or even further and you're looking for a really good detailer, hit up Eastside Auto Spa. They've been great. I've been using them over the last several years. They've done countless cars for me at this point, and I pretty much send everybody there. So check them out. But we did get the wheels back. They're here in the garage. I did want to ceramic coat them before showing you guys. So it's got 2 coats of CarPro Deluxe ceramic coating on them. So the wheels are protected and they look fantastic. So if you guys are ready, let's show you guys. There you have it. I'm super stoked to get these on the car. I think they look fantastic. Typically I don't go with like a silver wheel, but these are gonna look really, really nice. And the finish on here is just amazing. Once again, Richland Forged has outdone themselves. This is a brushed finish and you can just tell the high quality, really, really awesome experience with them. So if you're looking to purchase a set of these, hit up Richland Forged. And if you're curious on the specs that I went with, this is going to be a pretty aggressive setup, but perfect for the G80. So these are going to be 20s. This is a front wheel right here. This is a 20x10 ET14, which is a plus 12 poke over OEM fitment. And then this one over here is a 20x11 rear ET11. And this is a plus 15 poke over an OEM fitment. And so, as you guys can see, I also went with some different tires. Decided to try something different. These are Yokohama Advan Apex summer tires. And on the rear, we did a 305/30/20. My first time with a 305 tire. And then the front is going to be a 285/30/20. So, super excited to get these on the car. I think these are going to be a really aggressive, meaty setup, and hopefully we don't have any rubbing. As you guys can see, this is the way the car currently looks. We're back on stock wheels here, and the stock wheels are going to be a 19 in front, 20 rear, so we're going to even it out by doing 20s all the way around. The car is lowered, obviously, on KW height adjustable springs, so we've already got some negative camber going on. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and swap these on and come back to you guys. I am very hot and sweaty here in the garage, so are you guys ready to see it? Because I think I'm ready to show you guys.
All right, guys, there you have it, Richland Forged. These are actually going to be the M4 GT3R style wheels, only these are going to be 20-inch wheels. They look fantastic. Again, I normally don't go with silver, but I think this pops really, really well. So let me know what you guys think about it. Do you guys like it? Let me know in the comments below. And if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns about the fitment or anything like that, or anything about Richland Forged at all, please let me know in the comments below. Additionally, they are a sponsor on the channel, and they are offering you guys a discount if you want to order a set of these or any other wheels on their line. So the video description below will have the discount code. If you guys want to take advantage of that, it'll save you $200 on a set of wheels. So I think it looks great. We've got a lot more content on the way for this car, so stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one.